use my identity without permission. I'll take note of that. Maybe I lost the podium, but this result is great after all the problems this weekend. Epa, I think it's been too long since we've seen a Repsol crashing. No, don't do it, Armini! Don't worry, I won't do anything. Hey, never touch Armini! Oh, that's not fair! Time to make a comeback and stay as the championship leader! Without all the MotoGP stuff, we're quite fast. Sigma Alpha 2, someone crashed into us. I know you want to win, but I waited 200 races to get my first victory. You can beat me, especially with my top speed. Are you sure? Hey, impossible! Yahoo! You almost scared me. No one is faster than us. It was just a miscalculation. This is not over yet. Now it's your turn. You will follow the power of the great Nakamura. And your brother is not here to save you. Any last words? Valley's not here, but his legacy is with us. Fans, who's your favorite rider? Rossi! I hope one day people will remember me this way too. Yeah, my first victory is so close. You mean lying, right? Don't try, you will run wide again. I don't think so. You don't hear me? Okay, third time's a charm. Again, you will run wide. Oh, Captain, my Captain, victory is mine! Yeah, best anniversary ever! First victory and championship With the problem of the plane, I'm not sure we will get to Austin on time. Don't worry, there is always a way to arrive in time. Hey guys, I found someone who will bring us to Austin for free. Yay! Did someone order a special bus to Austin?
Hey Minifan, you want more content of the Minis? Join our social networks, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook to see more designs. If you want to meet more Minifans, you can chat with us in our Telegram group, Discord channel and Reddit. Don't forget to support us as a YouTube member or Patreon. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to click the like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe to the channel and see you on the next Grand Prix!